Some of the implementation challenges that we faced were, well, additional to these was the supervision. We needed to assure that at the beginning it was not such an intense supervision, so we supervised through a monitoring system, SINFO, which was the information system that we had, but we saw that it was very important to have spot checks and to assure that the training was relevant, that they had all of the material that they had promised, that they provided, let's say, as an example, we found that in some of the trainings for IT, they had provided one computer for 2 students, and this was not acceptable. So without going there, we wouldn't have realized that this was happening, because all of the information in the information system just showed regular attendance. The same for another training course on textiles. We saw that they had provided a certain amount of textiles, but at the end it was not sufficient. So again, without going there, we wouldn't have realized this. So these are things that require regular supervision by the program to assure that they are complying with all of the needs that are necessary to get proper training. Also, problems with implementation in the sense of the stipends. How we pay the stipends? We pay the stipends based on the attendance at a weekly in cash for the participants. This was, at the beginning, we encountered some problems. Once the community realized which was the date that the stipends were being paid, we found that some of the training institutions were robbed. So here we had to work with the police to assure that there was security when they were receiving the stipends. Now most of the training programs and different programs that receive benefits in cash, they receive it through different systems of telephone banking that are very simple, that give you a message on your telephone that tells you, well, you have received this amount, and you just go to the bank, and with that number you can collect the amount. So making the risk of robbery less likely, and also of administrative costs.